Hello there, Cabinet Vision users. Bruce Chesham here with another Cabinet Vision Minute. And today I'm talking about estimating, and specifically I wanted to talk today about one field or one option setting inside the bid center. So let's go and look at this data for that job we were just looking at a second ago when we opened. 30% markup on here is $37,221. Okay. Now, if we go in and we look at this one materials, let's look at materials for the kitchen alone, and the materials are set at 9,600. You can read what it says. So that's 30% markup on $7,400 and change. Okay. Now, if we go into the options on here, there's a setting in here that I wanted to call your attention to. That says, this one down here at the bottom, it says estimate sheets of material. And that's real important because that affects this line here, 100% of material costs. And specifically, it's about any of these that have to do with sheet goods. Okay, so why is this important? Well, it's important because if we think about a cabinet being made out of sheet goods, and one cabinet is going to be something less than a full sheet of materials. And let's say that sheet of materials cost us $100, but the material, if we're just cutting out the material and we're going to optimize for the material usage alone, we're not using a full sheet of materials to make that cabinet. We're using some fraction of that sheet of materials. So what does that mean? That means that if we don't have this flag turned on, like it is not here, this material cost is going to be, okay, with the flag turned off, the material cost is $96.47. Let's turn on the estimate sheets of material flag and see how that affects our materials. And so with the material, or with the estimate sheet of material flag turned on, we now have $11,441. That's a significant difference between having that flag on or off. And it's just, all that means is that instead of fractionalizing, if you will, that's probably not a very good term, but instead of using just the per part square foot usage of materials, we're taking it's using an optimization of the materials, and it's not exactly the same optimization that is used in the optimizer, but it's an optimization nevertheless that's saying that we're going to use all of the cost of the materials actually needed in an optimization instead of actual square foot of the parts. So that can be a significant difference, and it is in this case about $2,000 difference. So there's our tip for the day for estimators using Cabinet Vision, and that is to check this flag, make sure it's on for estimate sheets of materials. We'll see you on the next one.